20 liters Universal Spill Kit, your professional solution for liquid spills. Curious about what's inside the spill kit? Let's open it together. Inside, you'll find one transparent carry bag, one instruction guide, one yellow disposal bag with plastic tie, 10 universal absorbent pads, and 2 universal absorbent socks, 1.2 meters by 7.6 centimeters. All components laid out, ready to absorb and contain. In case of a spill, surround the area with absorbent socks to prevent spreading, then place absorbent pads over the spill. Rapid absorption keeps the spill under control. After absorption, cleanup is straightforward. Simply place all saturated materials into the yellow disposal bag and seal it tightly with the plastic tie. This crucial step prevents any secondary leakage or contamination, making the final disposal both safe and hassle-free. The JXY Universal Spill Kit. Respond quickly, handle professionally, and safeguard your workplace. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.